Hello! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the silent mode on this device. Basically, how to turn on and off the sounds on the watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here you should see the speaker icon like this. And you can tap on this icon to switch between different sound modes. We have the sound, vibrate, and mute. To enable the silent mode, of course, we need to select the mute mode. And now the sounds are disabled on our watch. And if you want to go back to sound, you simply tap on this icon again to enable the sound. You can also change this via the settings, so you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu, then tap on the settings icon. In settings you can scroll down, tap on the sounds and vibration option, and here, sounds and vibration, and here we have the sound mode option or category, and in it we have the sound, vibrate, and mute. So if you want to mute the sounds, you simply select mute, mute, and if you want to bring sound back, you select the sound like that. Okay, you can also completely disable the sounds on the whole watch, basically, if you want to. And to do it, you need to open the settings again, scroll down, find the accessibility option, tap on it, and here you need to find the hearing enhancements. Select it, and right here we have mute all sounds. If you enable this option, all of the sounds on your watch will be disabled. So be aware that some of the sounds will, all of the sounds won't play on the watch. And if you want to disable it, simply tap on the switch again. Okay, and that's how you enable or disable the silent mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.